Hey, you're young, you're healthy. Why would you even need life insurance? Hey, my name is Chris, and I have been in the life insurance industry for over a decade. And this is just some of the questions that I hear on a day to day basis. I'm young, I'm healthy. Why do I need life insurance? And I know that all of y'all out there have made plans, you've set goals, you've wrote out what you wanted to do, and then what? Something unexpected happens. And that's just a part of life. So that's why life insurance is crazy beneficial for everyone. All right. Now, life insurance might not just be for the death benefit. Okay. I don't believe you're going anywhere, but if something does, you have it in place. But life insurance is good for the living benefits. Okay. There's a lot of different ways you can utilize life insurance. You can use it to save, you can use it to invest, you can use it to retire. But the most important thing for young people is the living benefits. Okay. So, what is living benefits? It means critical or chronic illness like a heart attack, cancer, stroke, something of that nature, or disability. Say you get hurt really bad and you can't take care of yourself. What will happen if you have living benefits is you will have access up to the amount of that death benefit. Okay. So if you're talking to your agent, make sure you're asking these type of questions. Does my policy have a living benefit? Okay. So just to give you an example, say you get cancer, okay, and you have a job. What's going to happen is you're going to have to go through chemo and radiation. Okay. So when you do that, most of the time you can't work. So what's going to happen is your work is going to drop you from your life insurance. Okay. That's going to be the first thing that happens. Or what they're going to do is they're going to make you pay your insurance on your own. Now, if you fail to do either of those two things, what's going to happen is your insurance company is going to cancel your policy, which means that you're no longer going to be insured. So if something does happen to where you pass away, your family has nothing to bury you. Now, if you're anything like me, my family is going to most likely come to me and ask me to help out with these type of things. Well, if I'm the one that's sick, I don't know who's going to take care of that for me. So that may be something that you experience in your family as well. But living benefits gives you the ability to one, get the access to that money to be able to pay down some of your bills, whether you have a car payment, a mortgage, or rent. You'll be able to pay that up for a little while, saying that if you got enough coverage, you'll be able to pay that out for maybe a year or two. So you can just solely focus on getting better because it's shown the less stress you have, the more likely you are going to be able to beat an illness. Okay. So, if you are young and healthy, please think about getting the living benefits is something that can really be beneficial to you. And on top of that, depending on where you live, you might have the ability to get a policy that has a return of premium. Simply means whatever you spend on the policy for that 10, 20, 30, 40 years, you're going to get every cent back in a tax-free check. So this is the one that I always like to recommend to all of my young and healthy people that qualify because it's a great policy. You're going to get that benefit while you're living. And then if you don't ever use it, you get all your money back. It's a win-win. So hope this was helpful. Hope y'all found some value from this. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I will get to you on the next video. As always, stay wealthy, my friends.